Everyone has 24 hours, but not everyone knows how to own them. If you master your time, you master your life. Welcome to You Are Undefeated, where every minute counts. Time is a relentless river, flowing steadily, indifferent to our desires or plans. Each of us is granted the same 24 hours, yet the outcomes of those hours can differ dramatically depending on how we choose to navigate them. The truth is, time itself isn't the problem, it's our focus and how we utilize our energy that determines our productivity. Successful individuals have mastered the art of prioritizing their tasks and honing their concentration, allowing them to transform those 24 hours into something extraordinary. Consider the 80-20 rule, or the Pareto principle, which states that roughly 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. This concept is a game changer in the realm of productivity. Imagine a student facing a mountain of assignments, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of work. If they take a moment to identify which assignments carry the most weight for their final grade, they can focus their efforts on those few tasks that will yield the greatest results. Instead of spreading themselves thin across all assignments, they pour their energy into the critical 20%, thus achieving a better outcome with less stress. But it's not just about managing our time. It's about managing our energy. Each day begins with a reservoir of energy, and how we choose to allocate that energy can determine our productivity. The first hour of the day is crucial. It sets the tone for everything that follows. A young professional, for instance, might wake up and immediately dive into emails, allowing the demands of others to dictate their morning. Instead, if they dedicate this hour to personal growth, perhaps through reading, exercising, or planning their day, they can cultivate a sense of accomplishment that fuels their motivation throughout the day. Starting strong can transform a mundane day into a productive one, making it easier to tackle challenges as they arise. Knowing when to say no is another vital aspect of effective time management. Every time we say yes to one task, we inadvertently say no to something else, often something that could be more beneficial or aligned with our goals. A mother balancing work and family life might feel compelled to volunteer for every school event, but each commitment can chip away at her time for self-care or family bonding. By learning to prioritize her yeses, she can create space for what truly matters. This doesn't mean abandoning responsibilities, but rather being selective about which ones to embrace, ensuring they align with her values and long-term objectives. Task batching is another powerful strategy. Multitasking often feels productive, but it can be a productivity killer. Imagine a graphic designer who constantly switches between emails, design software, and social media. Each switch requires a mental reset, leading to lost time and diminished focus. Instead, if they batch similar tasks together, like dedicating a block of time solely for emails or another for design work, they can maintain momentum and creativity. By diving deep into one type of work at a time, they harness their focus, leading to higher quality output and a sense of accomplishment. Tracking activities is essential for self-awareness and improvement. Without tracking, it's easy to feel adrift at the end of the day, wondering where the hours went. A college student might keep a simple journal, jotting down what they accomplished each day. This practice not only provides a sense of closure, but also reveals patterns over time. Perhaps they notice that their most productive hours are in the late morning, or that certain tasks consistently drain their energy. Armed with this knowledge, they can adjust their schedules to maximize productivity, ensuring that they tackle the most challenging tasks when their energy is at its peak. In our daily lives, we often encounter challenges that test our time management and focus. Picture a young entrepreneur juggling multiple projects. One day, they find themselves overwhelmed, hopping from one task to another, feeling the weight of deadlines pressing down. In a moment of clarity, they decide to pause and reassess. They implement the 80-20 rule, identifying the projects that will drive their business forward. They batch their work, setting aside specific times for client calls and creative brainstorming, and they begin to say no to distractions that don't align with their goals. By tracking their progress, they celebrate small wins, fueling their motivation and reinforcing the belief that they are in control of their time. Through these lessons, it becomes clear that time management is not merely about squeezing more tasks into our day. It's about cultivating a sharper focus and aligning our energy with our priorities. Each strategy, whether it's understanding the 80-20 rule, managing energy levels, learning to say no, batching tasks, or tracking activities, contributes to a more productive and fulfilling life. As we navigate our own rivers of time, may we learn to steer our focus and energy with intention, transforming our 24 hours into a canvas of achievements and growth. Time is your most valuable currency. Spend it with purpose. Don't just manage time, command it. You are undefeated. Like, share, and subscribe for more powerful tools to take back control of your life.